guys, so I wanted to do a quick tour of our Airbnb that we're staying in. So we've got the living room and the kitchen right here, and then this is one of the bedrooms and the bathroom right here. Here we have bedroom number 2, and then I'm gonna walk you guys outside and show you the pool area. Did you guys pick her? Oh. Okay guys, so it's literally like 10 a.m. right now. Just woke up. It's our first night in the Airbnb and we're going to the beach.
That has water in it.
On the way to the beach. Nene, say hi to the vlog. That's your hi?
Yeah.
Okay, so we were at the beach and then we got hungry, so we ended up coming to this little place. It's called King Taco. So we're gonna get some food. Hey guys, so we just got back from the beach and it's day 1 of Rolling Loud. So this is the fit. Okay, so we went to the mall today. We're just here checking it out, and everyone's kind of tired today, so we're taking it easy, kind of staying out of the heat a little bit. Okay guys, so it's day 2 and we're about to go to a little pool party, and then we're gonna make our way over to Rolling Loud. So this is the fit for the day. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, he's here.
Is he actually here?
Yeah. We're finally going to Rolling Loud. Say hi to the vlog.
I see that put me on main good thing. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real.
Time to go home. Bye, Maya. Let's go.
And my name is Janaea, and my rule for the trip is no talking to the mandoms back home.
Lore.
Or you gotta take 2 shots.
Hi, my name's Amor, and my rule for the girls trip is if someone comes up to you, you have to entertain it, or you have to chug your drink.
My name is Brittany, and my rule is if you say Miami, you gotta take a shot.
Hi, my name's Huda, and my rule is if you turn down a drink, you have to take a shot.